time for last week's energy today. Y'all, the United States has been just doing such great things, especially over the last 2 weeks since we did one of these last week energies. For 3 or 4 weeks now in a row, the United States has only continued to add drilling rigs each week to the landscape of actually drilling new oil wells, which is also very exciting. As we're going to continue also, the Gulf of America is going to continue to also be a new place for new production. And this is huge because we've got an estimated 13, that is specific, 13 new fields anticipated to come online within the next 12 months. And when I've talked to great individuals like Michael Tanner, who is an oil and gas economist, they look at things and they really, what they see is that the Gulf of America truly moves the needle against OPEC when it comes to oil and gas production. That's how important and strategic the Gulf of America is. Also, speaking of how important the Gulf of America is, the rest of the world right now is still gripping with the fact that OPEC will only continue to increase on a monthly basis. It looks like they're going to add another increase in November. For all of y'all out there, keep in mind, this is their plan, is to increase production by a total of 2 million barrels over about a 24-month period. So every month we're going to see this new news that they are going to continue to add barrels. It's going to happen. It is the only way that they're going to continue to be relevant. But also one thing that they're worried about is the United States and our natural gas. Here in North America, globally, we are beginning to set the standard, and people see that for liquid natural gas, the United States is the place to be. Over the last 2 weeks, I've had the opportunity to be on 2 panels with just great individuals that are way smarter than I am. And these 2 panels were in the family office sector. One was with the Family Office Club with Richard Wilson. The other was with the Freedom Capital Markets, a wonderful lady named Marcia. And these 2 groups, what they're really beginning to, I think, see, and I'm not trying to put words in anybody's mouth, is that the family offices are coming to alternative investments or niche investments, which oil and gas is considered, which I can't believe we're still considered a niche or alternative investment when oil and gas has been around now for over 100 years. But the bottom line is that the capital is moving from the family offices to other family offices like ours because they are now seeing the long-term sustained legacies in smart oil and gas. Also, we know that AI is going to need more energy, and energy comes from oil and natural gas along with coal and other sources, but we're going to need that energy to provide for AI and these data centers. And that was another topic on one of the panels, was AI and how we're going to get the energy to it. Pecos as a whole, we're very excited. We're wrapping up another well, getting that one online and on pump, as I like to say. We mailed out our revenue checks to our investors. Thank you to all of them as always. And we're just continuing now into the fourth quarter, riding high, and just going to continue to do what we need to do to provide abundant, affordable, and reliable energy to all Americans. Please reach out if you ever have a question. Thank you.